Dear ones, we would like to share more with you regarding the Unity Consciousness Collective. We would like to share with you that you may liken us to a rainbow. However, within this rainbow there are colours that you may have never perceived with your physical eyes. There are many rays within our collective rainbow. There are many masters, archangels, and star beings. If you liken yourselves to a rainbow, it is vital that the rainbow within you has balanced colours, and these colours colour your physical, spiritual, emotional and mental bodies. Each colour has a frequency. You all carry your own unique colour and frequency, your own soul's note. This note may not always be visible or audible to your human ears, but the angel within you, this is your guiding light, your guiding colour, your guiding note, your frequency. The consciousness collective of unity brings together all colours, all frequencies. And for the purpose of this transmission, we invite you to see, sense, feel, know the vibration of Archangel Michael and the colour of his blue ray. This blue ray of truth and integrity will enable you to cut through all illusions. Your truth, dear ones, is your truth. It may well be an illusion for another. But dear one, we invite you to fully embrace your own truth. We ask you to do this now as we transmit the healing frequencies and activations to work with the blue ray within you, for you all possess this blue ray. Some of you may carry more of this ray than others. Some of you may have the gift to share this ray with others. But you also have the gift of sharing your own unique colour and sound, your own unique essence and vibration that lives within the angel within you, within the within, the celestial beings, as we are indeed. We come to support and guide you to connect into your own essence, your own light, your own colour, frequency, sound. We invite you now to sense Archangel Michael. We ask you now to surrender your mind, body, soul. Invite your subconscious mind to allow the frequencies and the rays of Archangel Michael to connect with you now. Anara sha'a, nara sha'a, yanara a iya, nara I a, anara ta a, yanara tishia narata. Ola nara shia, nara tia, yanara tisi I, uya a ya ya ya, ola ya I. Invite now Archangel Michael to give you a sign that he is indeed with you. His calling card for you and for you alone in communion with him. Sense, see, feel, know, hear his calling card now. Beautiful soul, know that Archangel Michael is but a call away. He is indeed a messenger of the divine, and within the unity collective. Call upon him. Call his name. Michael, Michael, Michael. Be with me now, under the grace of Creator's love. And I surrender all illusions to you and invite you to help me see with your blue light of truth and integrity. And breathe and be, and breathe and be, and relax into this knowing and into this certainty that you are loved. And Michael is within you and is within me. Blessed be, and so it is.